it's Layle with Layle by Mail. I wanted to show you guys a closer look at the Simply Spring Layout Kit that is now available for purchase. The kit makes 3 double-page 12 by 12 press spreads, so 6 pages, and then there's so much product left over. I made 3 bonus cards. The 3 bonus cards are also included in the instructions, but then you can kind of even go beyond that and keep making because there's so much extra left over. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at what the kit makes, and then we'll take a look at the kit. So here you can see, we're going to be a little bit crooked. Here you can see the first double page spread. This collection, or this kit, uses the Simple Stories Spring Farmhouse. Oh my gosh, totally drew a blank. The Spring Farmhouse collection. And it is so pretty, you guys. It is a great everyday collection. It's great for Easter. It's great for Mother's Day. It's great for spring. It is really great for anything. And you can see with those colors, the beautiful florals, the stripes, the gingham, and then the black. I love the pops of black in the collection. So that one is room for 1, 2, 3, 4 photos. That is the first spread. Then we move to the second spread. So this little guy, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 photos. More gingham, so this time the black. Really fun pops of yellow. We use a lot of those die cut flower bits and pieces just because I think they're really fun to work with. Okay, there is the second spread. And then we have the third spread, and this is kind of a fun home sweet home spread. You could take photos of your house or just people that you love that you consider home, whatever that may be. So I'm using one of the really fun papers that has the doors and windows on it. Okay, so those are the 3 spreads, and then here you have the 3 bonus cards that we are making. So super cute, simple, but just great cards. You know, sometimes you need to have a card on hand. Well, here you, oops, that guy's upside down. Here you have 3 cards on hand. So it's always fun to have those on hand. Okay, so that is what the kit makes. Now let's take a look at the kit. So as always, oops, other one's not in my stack. From teaching. Oh, here it is. Here we go. As always, the Layle by Mail project kits include the color step-by-step instructions. So you have large photo and step-by-step, 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 and then on the back side you have the cards. Then we move into the contents of the kit. These are my favorite. These are the floral bits and pieces. There are 30, oh my goodness, I need my readers, 35 of those flowers in there. We use quite a few of those across all of the layouts. That one, you have a half package of enamel dots, so 30 enamel dots, 3 different sizes, 5 different colors. You have a couple mats that we'll use. 2 bow clips, paper bow clips, and these guys, there are 4 different bow clips that are part of the collection. I always like to, they get a little squished in shipping. You can just kind of plump them up that way or fluff them. Anyhow, there are 4 different bow clips that are part of the collection. So each kit includes 2 of the 4. We have the chipboard stickers. There are 27 chipboard stickers there. The 12 by 12 sticker sheet. And then, oh my gosh, tons of paper, because obviously paper, their layouts, paper's kind of the base of the kit. So that green gingham, the black, 4 by 4 elements, a green polka dot, that fun door and window paper, the 3 by 4 elements with that great stripe on the back, the green, mint green floral with the black gingham, the pink gingham, another pink gingham. We use this side with those fun little birds in their nests. The cream floral. We use, I think, maybe a little bit of that black, but mostly using that cream floral. And then we have, for the bases of our layouts, the simple basics. So we're using the cream, that's pink. The pink as one base. And what's so nice about these, you guys, Simple Stories came out with these, and they're great because now you don't have to search for the perfect color cardstock. So pink, the yellow, and the cream. So the Simply Spring Kit is shipping now. As you look at the video, finish the video, you will find information on ordering, or you can go to laylebymail.com and get more details. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.